We're now going to learn about the cat accessor. So this is similar to the str and dt accessors, which we used on string only and datetime only series. So the cat accessor is available just for these categorical series, not for the data frame. And it has a few different attributes and methods that we can use. It has much fewer than the str and dt accessors, but it still provides us some nice extra functionality. So let's go ahead and look at our department column. So department cat. So the way you use it is just like str and dtr. You do dot cat and then tab. And here's all the set of functionality. Over here, as I said, there's not a whole lot here. Let's take a look at some of these. So here are the categories. So here is the sequence of 9 categories. This is the unique values in the original department. So this is what is stored one time. And then the codes, this is what's actually stored for all of the values. And it uses an 8-bit integer because there's only 9 categories, so it's going to use the smallest integer type over here. So that's pretty cool. We can verify that the codes correspond with the categories. So if we do dot head, we can fit more on the screen. So it says category 7 is first. So this is the police department, which is category 7. So we can say department cat dot category. So here they are. And then we put in integer 7 and we get the police department. Right? So this is what is stored. The second one is 5. That is other. That looks good. The third one is 3. And that is Houston Public Works. So that should verify that these underlying codes are actually representing or referring to the actual values that appear in the data frame. All right, so that is just a quick intro to the cat accessor. Again, only available to the series with the data type categorical.